Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I wanted to show you guys an amazing race trailer we have in stock. I'm so excited to have this unit on the ground and show it to you guys. This is an 8.5 by 30 Edge Pro race trailer. This one's got some amazing features to it. It's beautiful in person. It does have a white 040 smooth skin exterior. You do have the polished aluminum corners, a rounded front cap, which is great, and a heavy duty extended triple tube tongue. This is on a steel frame, but it gives you guys this awesome turning radius with having this big tongue stick out here. I believe this is a 4-foot tongue on this unit. This one, I'm going to bring you guys around over here, also has a power package on it. It is equipped with 50 amp service, so you guys have a plug right here. This is a twist lock plug like what you're going to find in your campers and RVs. Great running lights on this unit as well. You guys can see there's one of them. They go down the side of the trailer. We'll check those out more in a second. Bring you back around to this side over here. This also has a double race door for your side door, which is really cool because it gives you guys a great big opening. You can fold both those back. They also have the aluminum door holdbacks, so those will stand up a really long time being the aluminum. This unit is also a 3-year factory warranty. Pull out aluminum step. RV lock does have that lock latch and a set of keys, which is a great feature. You also have an overhead gutter. 2 big party lights here on the side. This is going to have some great exterior lighting. This one's also equipped with a stereo, so you have exterior speakers right here. And again, there's your beautiful smooth skin exterior. Exterior GFI outlet right there. Convenient location. 2 6,000-pound torsion spread axles with electric brakes. Now, by taking this axle and spreading it, it's going to distribute that weight for you guys, cut down on any wagging or swaying that can occur. And then having that torsion underneath this thing is going to give you an independent suspension. It gives it a really cool skirting along the bottom of the trailer, but also gives you guys an optimal towing experience with having this setup right here. Again, aluminum wheels. Of course, you've got radial tires on this unit. Another exterior GFI outlet here at the back. These are very cool. This is running lights and turn signals, so it's going to help people when you're going down the road be able to see when you want to come over, which is a great feature. Rear ramp door is an aluminum diamond plate ramp door right here. You guys can see right there. This also has a huge transition flap. That's what you see folded over. I couldn't fold it over because I don't have enough room right here, but wanted to show it to you guys. It does have that triangular V to it, so this is a race car lover's dream, because what it does is it gives you guys a nice easy angle and brake coming in and out of this trailer. So low profile vehicles, hot rods, dragsters, anything you guys are taking to the racetrack, or just a fun car that you guys want to take care of, this is a great trailer. It's set up perfectly for that. You also have that transition flap from the ramp to the trailer, so bonus there as well. 85-inch rear door opening here at the back. This trailer also, I believe, is a 7'6" interior height. That might be a little bit taller than that. Here's the interior. You've got beautiful coin floor in here, a couple of D-rings set up here ready to go. Looks like there's 4 of them right here at the back. Great lighting. You do have an exterior load light right here as well. There's 2 of them. So you'll have some nice lights off the back when you need to unload and load in the dark. Other lighting package in here is you do have the corner light, which is really cool. And then you also have the little lights down here. So love the setup for lighting. Toggle switches work all your interior and exterior lights. You do have outlets, again, because we have 50 amp service in here. Carpet on the walls, and then you have aluminum walls from there. I love they did the black trim around the top. It ties it in really nicely together. More interior speakers. Looks like there's 4 in here. They're hidden up in the corner in the black. They did a beautiful job with this trailer. Overhead puck lights. You also have 2 roof vents. And we're gonna just keep coming inside. Wardrobe closet. Great tool storage and setup here with these corner cabinets. You've got a great workspace up here. There's even an under cabinet light. There's your stereo. Nice countertop. They did do Nudo on this as well, so this is awesome. This is going to give you guys a great workspace. And we're going to check out the interior of the cabinet. You do have a vented battery and battery box, so that's why we can run all these lights without being hooked up to a vehicle. They're working off this, but then you can take it one step farther with the 50 amp service and power up everything as well. And here it is. Again, awesome race trailer, great for cars or even razors and fun. So beautiful trailer all around. Wanted to show you guys the back side of the store too really quick. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, give us a call, 303-688-8485. You can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available, so if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We can get you the trailer. We do offer the best selection of cargo trailers in the state. And give us a call with any questions that you might have, and be sure to like and subscribe.